Hello everyone, myself Adit, and in this video I'm going to tell you about agent cold start optimization. Imagine opening an AI agent, asking your first question, and then waiting and waiting and waiting. That's delay, and that is called as cold start. And here's the truth, your agent's first impression is its slowest movement. Today I'll going to explain you about the cold start optimization and how can we fix it as well so that your agent feels fast from the very first interaction. Let me explain the problem in a brief more. When an AI agent starts for the first time, it has to do a lot of work behind the scenes. Load models into memory, initialize configurations, connect to tools or APIs, set up execution pipelines. This entire process is called cold start. Now, the problem is the first response becomes slow. Sometimes it takes several seconds or even longer. After that, the response are fast, but then the user may already feel the system is sluggish. And why it matters the most. Cold start delay is not just a technical issue. It directly affects the user experience, engagement, trust in your AI system and many more. In real world apps like chatbots, assistant or automation agent, even a 2-3 second delay can feel too slow. The core concept or the solution behind this problem is this. Let us understand how can we fix it. The idea is simple. Don't wait for the user to trigger the initialization. Prepare everything in advance. This is where cold start optimization comes in. Now, what are the techniques for it? So let me tell you, open my notes for it so that I can define the techniques. So the number one method is preloading. In preloading models, instead of loading the AI model when the first request comes in, load it during the system startup. And in this way, the agent is already awake and no delay on the first interaction. The second one is caching. This method is called as configuration caching. Agents often load configs repeatedly. Cache configurations in memory so they are instantly available. This avoids repeated file reads or network calls. And the third one is warm up request. It is a smart trick to send a dummy request when the agent starts. This triggers model loading, initializes pipelines, prepare tools connection. So when the real user arrives, everything is already ready. Now the fourth one is lazy versus eager initialization. So there are two strategies, lazy initialization or eager initialization. In the lazy one, load only when it is needed. So it will be slower first response. But for eager initialization, it will load everything from upfront and faster response. For better UX or user experience, OpenClaw prefers eager initialization for critical components. And then it is parallel initialization or parallel working. In this step, we will, instead of loading the things one by one, we will load models, tools and configs in parallel. This drastically reduces the startup time. And then the last one is persistent agent state. If your agent restarts frequently, save its state like memory, context or the embedding so that it doesn't have to rebuild everything from the scratch. Let's visualize some difference kind of like before optimization, the user request, then load the model, then setup tools and then response. Those are the process will be very slow, but after optimization on starting this system, everything will be preloaded and the when the user sends any request, he or she will get instant response for it. Same agent but completely different experience. And if I sum up this video, then cold start is unavoidable but slow responses are not. By using preloading, caching, warm ups, parallel execution, you can make your OpenClaw agent feels instant and responsive because in AI, speed is not just performance, it's perception. So thank you.